And viewers, hiding in Germany for the past month, rape accused and suspended JDS MP Prajwal Revanna, who left the country shortly after horrific sex crime allegations came to the fore, is playing the victim card now. In a 177-second video, he claimed that the comments and political drama by opposition leaders, including Rahul Gandhi, drove him to depression. Prajwal asserted that he would return on May 31st and come out clean. Listen into first what Prajwal Revanna had to say.
ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ನ ಹಿರಿಯ ನಾಯಕರಾದಂಥ ರಾಹುಲ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತು ಹಾಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿರಿಯ ನಾಯಕರುಗಳು ಏನು ಓಪನ್ ವೇದಿಕೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನ ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಒಂದು ರಾಜಕೀಯದ ಪಿತೂರಿ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಕೆಲಸನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದಂತ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಂತ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಯಿತು, ಐಸೋಲೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಂತ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡೆ. ಹಾಸನಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೆಲವು ಶಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇವತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ರಾಜಕೀಯದ ಒಂದು ಪಿತೂರಿ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ರಾಜಕೀಯವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನನ್ನ ಕುಗ್ಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಏನೇನು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಕರಣಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗುವಂತ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದಂತ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಇನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಆಘಾತ ಆಗುವಂತ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗಿ ನಾನೇ ಒಂಚೂರು ದೂರ ಇದ್ದೆ.
And you heard Prajwal Revanna saying that he will come out clean after he comes back to India on 31st May. But why is Prajwal Revanna dragging in Rahul Gandhi? Well, in his poll campaign, the Gandhi scion didn't leave any opportunity to target the BJP for allegedly protecting the rape-accused leader and facilitating his exit to Germany. Rahul had been vocal in saying that despite knowing about the allegations, the Prime Minister was campaigning for Prajwal Revanna and seeking votes for him. Rahul has asked the BJP what the compulsion to protect Prajwal is. The Karnataka Home Minister said Prajwal would be arrested as soon as he returns, and the state has made all efforts to bring him back. Listen in.
ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಇತಿಹಾಸದಲ್ಲೇನೇ ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಘಟನೆ ನಡೆದಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಇಡೀ ಜನತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರನ್ನು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ನಡೀತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಪತ್ರ ಬರೆದರು, 2 ಬಾರಿ ಪತ್ರ ಬರೆದರು. ಮತ್ತು ನಾವು CBIಗೆ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಂಟರ್ಪೋಲಿಗೆ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ನೋಟಿಸನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವಂತೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು, ಅವರು ಇಶ್ಯೂನು ಮಾಡಿದರು.
On Prajwal Revanna's charge that some are hatching a conspiracy to finish his political career, State Deputy CM said that he was free to say anything but is bound to face the law, and that time will tell whether his claims hold any water. Now, the Foreign Affairs Minister recently showed the Congress Sarkar, which blamed the centre for giving Prajwal a long rope, the mirror. Jaishankar stated that the Karnataka police requested MEA to impound the MP's diplomatic passport only on May 21st. Uncle of Prajwal Revanna, H.D. Kumaraswamy, said that Prajwal is returning after JDS chief Devagowda warned him. The BJP, on the other hand, maintains that the rape-accused Neta has to face the law. Listen in.
ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ದೇವೇಗೌಡರು ಮತ್ತು ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಬಂದು SITಗೆ ಹಾಜರಾಗಿ ತನಿಖೆಗೆ ಸಹಕಾರ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ದೇವೇಗೌಡರು ಎಚ್ಚರಿಕೆಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಮನವಿನೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರಿಗೆ ಗೌರವ ಇದ್ದರೆ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಮನವಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೊಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮಗೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಇದೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆಗಳೇನಾಗಬೇಕು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮುಂದೆ ತನಿಖೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸತ್ಯಾಂಶಗಳೇನಿದೆ, ಯಾರ್ಯಾರ ಪಾತ್ರಗಳು ಏನಿದೆ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗಡೆ SITಯ ತನಿಖೆ ಈಗೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೋಡೋಣ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ತಂದು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದರೂ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಮಮತೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಆಗಿದೆ.
That, madam, I am very clear, madam. As a citizen of our country, as a person, they have to face the law of the land, madam. This is not acceptable. Devagowda ji himself has given a warning, appeal. If you don't come, he has given an appeal. Still you don't come, what is this? Now the SIT has to go very strong, cancel the passport, red corner notice, send a team, go pick him up. Now people have to cooperate. If people are not cooperating, they cannot take law into their own hand. What is an MP trying to do? As of now, is a sitting MP. What is he trying to do? That is above law. So my point as a normal person is, you, me, or anybody, the law is always above you. If people don't understand, the law will teach them a very heavy lesson, madam.
Now we have Imran joining us on the broadcast for more details. Imran, finally Prajwal Revanna says that he will come back on May 31st. At what time is he likely to land in India, and what will be the Kong Sarkar's plan?
She says that he will land on 30th and he will join the probe at 10 a.m. On 31st of May. And this is after exactly a month after Prajwal Revanna had absconded from the country. He has released a video. And the police are all getting up to arrest him because he's already 2 notices issued by SIT. He had flouted. He had asked for time for 7 days. He didn't turn up. May 15th was his flight booked, and he didn't come back to India. A blue collar notice has been issued against him. The local court has issued an arrest warrant against him. And the video released of Prajwal Revanna, he's trying to project himself as a victim of the entire, what he alleges as conspiracy by the ruling Congress government. And he says that the words and actions of the Congress leadership, especially Rahul Gandhi, he made him to go into a depression. And he says that it was all part of a conspiracy. He wasn't aware of the entire pen drive issue. And he's coming back to India on May 31st to surrender himself before SIT for further questioning.
Right. Thank you so much, Imran, for giving us the latest inputs.